If we're just relying on inbound, I mean, it's not going to be enough. There's a difference between getting leads, but are you getting the right leads? From a business development standpoint, we should all have put in calendar business development work, revenue generating activities. This is something I'm challenging all of you every Monday to share. What are your money making moves every Monday here? What are we doing to really focus on business development and lead generation? And so this is not just checking our inbox of how many people who booked our calls, how many people have liked our posts. What we want to do is we want to be like, okay, we can check our LinkedIn profile views, who's checked out our profile, and look at, hey, are these the right leads that I want to say hello to and start a conversation with? So a lot of you told me that you've done the initial hello, but have not continued the conversation. So this whole segue of lead nurturing is, are we nurturing the leads? Are we carrying the conversation forward by asking those qualifying questions to move them forward to the next stage there, right? Are you giving them a pre-buy experience, whether it's a freebie, a webinar, and an event for them to experience you, okay? So if you're not doing that, that tells me that the trust and value add is not enough yet. The way I think about it, content is like the top of the funnel where they get a glimpse of your thought leadership, how you think, but they haven't experienced how you coach, how you teach, how you speak, how you facilitate. And so I want to challenge all of you to think about that is, how can people experience that from you that content can give? The content will give the stories, let's say the case studies that you want to tell, the point of view, which is amazing, right? That helps build trust, but they need some sort of experiential to be able to trust even further.